What's the meaning of collapsed? Collapsed. Collapsed.
Collapsed. Collapsed. The term collapsed can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it means to fall down, cave in, or lose structural integrity. For example, a building can collapse if its foundation is not stable. In a more figurative sense, it can mean to become exhausted, emotionally or mentally drained, or to lose hope. When something collapses, it often results in destruction, chaos, and danger. It can also cause a significant impact on the lives of people involved, leading to loss of property, injury, or even death.